Amazing panda facts. Did you know that pandas are more than just cute and cuddly? Let's dive into the fascinating world of these bamboo-loving bears. Pandas live in the misty bamboo forests of China. These forests provide them with food and shelter. Sadly, their habitat is shrinking, making it harder for them to survive. Pandas eat almost exclusively bamboo. They can eat up to 40 pounds of bamboo a day. That's like eating a whole lot of celery, but much tougher. Pandas are endangered, meaning there aren't many left.